Yesterday, we built streaming chatbot app that streams the result word by word in the app. Today, the chatbot will stream definitely, but it will not behave differently based upon different persona we provide in the system prompt. Why system prompt? This system prompt really tells the AI that, hey, what is the character, who it is, what AI is that they need to reply, how it should behave, right? And what rule exactly they need to follow, right? And without this simple system prompt, the response will really feel generic. And with this, AI feel intentional and controlled, right? So this is how you turn a chatbot into a product. Today is day 13 of 30 days of AI coding challenge. This challenge is structured and streamlined in a way that you learn by doing and step by step build the app in the Snowflake using Streamlit. Now let's deep dive and understand that how exactly this app work and this functionality work. Customizable chatbot. So you can see here on the left hand side, the sidebar is there. Within it, it has quick presets, right? It means these are the personalities, characters is available for the user who can just, if they click on this, let's suppose pirate, by default, it's a pirate, okay? And if you want to change it to teacher, you can change it. You can, accordingly, the system prompt as well, it got changed, okay? So if you want to be a comedian, right, you want this system prompt for comedian. So you can see you are a Chickles, Wiggy, Maggie, and witty comedian assistant. You love puns, jokes, and humor, right? Robot. You are Unit 7, a helpful robot assistant, and like blah blah blah, right? So by default, it's a pirate. So you can see the welcome message is also in that tone and style, right? Now let me ask uh, something, and what is the by default? So default is a robot, okay? You can see the style, right? Greeting, let me compute a precise explanation. A chatbot is a AI, blah, blah, blah. Activating memory bank, really thoughtfully. So it's a kind of a robot. And you can see even it's, this is also got changed, okay? This icon is also got changed. So like that. Let's suppose we ask the same thing in the comedian, right? So this is the one, okay? It's processing. See, right? So you can see it got changed, right? It's a kind of a change the style and the chatbot for answering this question. And you can see conversation history is also there on the left hand side. So this is the chatbot, and this is what we learn. This is a new thing in the day 13. Now let's deep dive into the code. So in day 13, rest things remains the same. I'll focus more on the additional thing, right? Which is the system prompt. Okay, so see this, we are initializing the system prompt variable in the session state. Okay, by default, it's a pirate assistant. And the messages for that also, we are storing it. Okay, you can see pirate, this is the default. Okay, now preset personality buttons, those all buttons you would have seen on the sidebar, we are coding for that now. Cool. So st.sidebar, okay. The header is there, subheader is there, added the two columns. First column is pirate and teacher. Another two columns are comedian and robot, right? Pirate and teacher, comedian and robot. Now, they are just by default adding the system prompt for each of the button, right? So this is the prompt by default, and it will, once someone click on this button, it will rerun the whole script. Okay, make sure you understood this thing. Okay, and this is how it is. Now the system prompt, the text area after the divider, right? The text area is the system prompt. What we will kept it over here. So we need to put the system prompt for each of the row, right? So next is injecting the system prompt with streaming. I think here what additional you will learn is this one, right? Last time you would have already know this thing. Now creating a prompt with system instruction. So within this full prompt, okay, we are using this function, this method, okay? So this variable we are picking up from there and we are passing it to this, okay? So what is the system prompt? Okay, see, try to understand. We are concatenating this at the starting of the prompt. Okay, so whatever system prompt is, it will add it onto the full prompt before passing into the AI, right? Respond to the user latest message while staying in the character. Okay, this is the additional thing which is added. Rest things remains the same. Okay, cool. One thing I want to tell you that where are those prompts exactly? Okay, so here are those prompts. So in below additional information, it's not provided. So actually the system prompts are here. For pirate, this is the one. Okay, you see, complete prompt is provided. Cool. Now, let's understand if there is any documentation that we need to check. Okay, so there is a additional documentation that you need to check for text area. So st.text area is the one where you have added this. This is the text area, okay, where you can scroll and put some show some text, right? A kind of a text input widget. Okay, you can deep dive and understand more about it by using this documentation. I'll put this link into the description below. So make sure you just duplicate the day 12 app to start with the day 13 code. Let's understand the implementation over here, and do make sure you complete the all previously challenge before starting with day 13. Okay, just copy the code, paste it, run it. Cool. Here is the app. Okay, so let's change it to teacher. So I'm just asking, what is the school name? Hey, I'm a Professor Reda. I teach in various institutions, but my primary focus on helping students learn rather than being associated with a specific school. That's cool. Good reply, right, guys? So this is how we implemented for in the day 13. So we learned today that AI behavior can be controlled. These system prompts can definitely define the personality of the AI while providing these instructions, right? So same questions, same but different instructions, right? And the different behavior, right? Different experience. This is Sudeep Kumar. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. Try creating your own persona in your own way and play with the chatbot and comment done once you finish the day 13. Tomorrow is day 14 where we will learn and add some more flavor, some more avatars and the error handling thing into the same chatbot. Till then, take care, bye bye, thanks for watching.